Hi children, shall we learn some grammar today? Have all of you seen the 2 grammar classes that I sent you regarding the nouns? What was it about? The nouns and its subdivisions, the naming words are called nouns and the subdivisions were also told in detail. Do you remember? Proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns and all. So, today, shall we say something more about these nouns? Are you ready? Suppose, I am asking you to talk about your friend, your best friend. So, you'll be very talkative when you talk about your best friend. Suppose your best friend's name is Rahul. You are asked to tell something about Rahul. What all things you would say about Rahul? Rahul is my best friend. He is a very good boy. He is very smart and polite. He is studying in 7th standard. He has 2 sisters. Like. So, what did we do here, children? Now, you were telling something about Rahul. You were describing Rahul by using the words smart, good, polite, then good, many adjectives you use there, many describing words used there. So, these describing words, the words which describe a noun, Rahul is an example of noun. What noun? Proper noun. So, the words which we used to describe a person, to tell something about a person or a thing are called adjectives. So, today our topic for study is adjectives. Nouns can be described in many ways. The color, shape, size, everything can be described. According to that, different kinds of adjectives are there. They are adjectives of quality. The name itself indicates what they are. Okay, children. Adjective of quality. An example I'll give you. The same example we can take. Rahul is a clever boy. What kind of a boy is Rahul? He is a clever boy. I ate a sweet mango. What kind of a mango I ate? Sweet mango. So, all these adjectives describe the quality of a person or a thing. Okay. So, the adjectives that describe, which tells us about the quality of something are called adjectives of quality. Is it clear? Yes. All these are very simple. Now, coming to the next adjective of number. Again, we can go for the example. I ate 3 chocolates. There are 2 pens in the box. Rahul is studying in the 7th standard. See, what do these adjectives say, children? 5 mangoes. That means the adjective 5 is used to describe the noun mangoes. Okay, children. So that is adjective of number. Adjective of number tells us how many are there. How many? It answers the question, how many? So clear? Rahul is studying in the 7th standard. Here, the position of a person or a thing in a series is also described. Okay. Now, the third one. Adjectives of quantity. I told you the name itself will tell you what it is. Adjective of quantity. There is much sugar in the jar. There is a little water in the jug. All these shows how much. All these adjectives answers the question how much. How much water is there in the jug? Much water. Okay. So that is adjective of quantity. These adjectives tells us how much a thing is there. coming to the next. What's it? Demonstrative adjective. Example. Give me that book. Those mangoes are very sweet. Here, what are the words used to describe the nouns? Give me that book. Book is a noun. Example of common noun. That book. So, that is the word used to describe book there. So, that means we are pointing out something. Those mangoes. Here also we are pointing out those mangoes. So the adjectives which points out something are called demonstrative adjectives. Okay. So children, the next one is distributive adjective. Children, you will be a bit confused when I tell this, so I'll give an example. Suppose you are sitting in a group in your class. Your class teacher is coming and telling you, each one of you has to, listen properly, each one of you has to report to the staff room. Okay. The teacher, you are in a group and teacher is referring to each member of that group as a separate individual. Understood? That is distributive adjective. Each is an example of distributive adjective. Words like each, every, either, neither, all these are distributive adjectives. It refers to members of a group as individuals. Okay? Is it clear? Now, coming to the next. Interrogative adjective. The meaning of interrogation you know, questioning. Example, whose pen is this? Which book is that? Which book you are reading? See, all these words, the adjectives that helps us to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. Okay. Now, next. Possessive adjective. Possession, showing ownership. Possessive adjective. This is her pen. This is my car. Words like mine, hers, his, all these words are adjectives. They are used to describe, they are used to show someone is possessing something. Okay, children? So, all these adjectives are clear to you. Quality, number, quantity, demonstrative, distributive, interrogative, and possessive. Okay? Children, before the conclusion, I'll tell you one more thing regarding the adjectives. Again, we can go for the example. He is a blind man. What's the adjective there? Blind. Adjective of quality. So, here, the adjective blind comes before the noun. Blind man. It comes before the noun man. So, it is called, it is an example of attributive adjective. What is it? Attributive. Attributive. Okay. Next. One more example I'll give you. The first example was, he is a blind man. Now, the man is blind. In another way, we are saying the sentence, the same sentence. The man is blind. Here, what happens? The adjective blind comes after the noun. Is it clear? So, this is an example of predicative adjective. It's an example of predicative adjective. Predicative. Okay, children. I think the topic adjective is somewhat clear to you. Again, when the school reopens, I'll give you some more exercises, and once more the class will be taken in detail if you have any doubt. Okay, children, have you enjoyed the class? So, I'll be back soon with the next new topic in grammar very soon. Till then, goodbye.